Oh baby, what a beautiful day. What a beautiful day. I hope all of you had a blessed weekend, and I'm so glad to see you again. Before we get into this video, there's one thing I do need to mention. If you watched the last video, you know I sold the wheels and it was time to buy new wheels. There's a sad reality to that. As of right now, I'm assuming due to the tariff war going on, the wheels I was going to get are out of stock, and there is no timeline on when they will be back in stock. So I am left in a bad spot because they're what I really wanted and I can't get them. And I don't know how long it'll be before they're back in stock. So I don't know if I wait and see, but if I do that, then it's like, how long am I gonna be waiting? That's an issue. I can't wait forever, man. I need this stuff done now. I do have a backup plan. It's not initially what I wanted, but it could be really good too. So I might go that route. I guess we're just gonna have to see. But as of right now, the wheels I wanted are out of stock, and there's no ETA when they will be back in stock. And like I said, I am assuming this is because of the tariff war going on, which makes sense because everything comes from China. I'm a little hurt right now about that. I'm not gonna lie. I was really devastated when I saw that. Literally went online, went to go purchase, gone, out of stock. When I initially looked them up, you know, ETA was April 18th. So I was like, bet. I waited for April 18th. I was on there all day, nothing. Then towards the end of the day, I was like, I'm gonna check one more time. I went there, it said new ETA, May 30th, before I could purchase them. Oh, it hurts so bad. And now when I go on there, it doesn't even have an ETA anymore. So I'm assuming it's just not good. I'm assuming they have no idea when, and that is probably gonna be a while before they do get them. So that sucks. But I do have a backup plan, which is the most likely scenario that I'm gonna go with. And I think it'll be super fire too. So backup plan is most likely the scenario that's going to be going down here. Guess you'll just have to stay tuned in to find out. But as you can see, we have something more important to worry about today. It is going to be a good day. I am super stoked on this. You see this box, I'm sure you already know what it is, baby. It is time for the Cherry Reds to go, because your boy got the Euros, baby. You know the drill. Before we get any further into this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, make sure you're staying tuned. I want to see 600 likes on this video. You know the routine. Like squad, where you at? Run it up. I need you. Yours are in, baby. We're about to toss these things on. It's gonna look sick. I was about to run to Advanced Auto and grab the little tool to pull out the push pins, but Dakota actually has them, so we're gonna swing this thing over to his garage real quick. He's coming in clutch with all the tools. We're gonna run this over there. We're gonna get this thing popped in, baby. They're gonna look so good. Anybody's interested in buying a set of the 13-14 stock taillights, I could potentially sell. Just let me know in my email if you're interested, and I'll think about it. But we need to go ahead and get into the official unboxing of these babies. Oh my god, these are gorgeous. You got like a little knife on you or something?
Probably a razor blade somewhere.
This might do it. I think these are the attachments for if you have a 2011 to 2012. Because I'm pretty sure there's a gap left on those. If you wanted to toss these Euros in, you have to put these things on there. Yeah, that's what these are. So I think if you have an 11 to 12 GT, you have to pop this thing on right here so that it fills in the gap left at the bottom. But for any 13-14 Mustangs, you can go straight in with it, so that's pretty clutch. So if we come over here, ignore that. We gotta pop this off, 2 push pins, and I think this just twists out. And then I think we're gonna have to pull a little bit of carpet back right here to reach that third bolt. So we're gonna start taking this thing apart and see what we got from there. So these guys right here literally just twist out, got a little separation there. Now we need to pop these pins out right here. Boom. Slide that baby out the way. Then we got our factory plugs right here. One bolt. Oh, we actually might not even peel the carpet back any.
Yep.
We can reach enough just right here.
Yep. Super slight.
Easy peasy, baby. What is this? 13s? Is it a 10? I feel like it's 13s.
13s?
I think so.
Pop out.
And that's it. That baby just slides right out. Easy peasy, baby. It almost hurts me peeling this off. Guide this new one through. Make sure this thing sits flush. Bing, bada boom. All the way through. Baby. Got a little C6 chilling in there. He called you out, Derek. Crazy tight on these. Hey, these jaws fire right here. You can't even tell me nothing about it. Let's get the official peek. Oh, baby. Sheesh. Oh. It looks so good. Well, if anybody was ever wanting to know, that was possibly one of the easiest things I think you can do to a car. That literally took 5 minutes to do. A little quicker than I thought it was going to be. But I need y'all to let me know down below. What do you think? Do you think these look better? Or do you think the stock cherries look better? This car didn't have stripes. I tell you what, boy, these things will look really good. Well, I guess since we know what I was going to get wheel-wise isn't happening, I can go ahead and let y'all know what I was getting. Yeah! By the way, Football Sunday goes crazy in here, boy. It just hurts me to even show you this, but here we go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by his toe. If he hollers, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I was getting the new SVE DHP ones, man. It breaks my heart. I was so excited about these, dude. They were going to look so good on that car, but as you can see, they are out of stock with no expectation on when they're going to be back in stock. And I simply cannot wait that long, and I don't think y'all want to wait that long either. These were going to look so good on Sonic, man. I'm so hurt, but I do have a really dope backup plan. So yeah, I think it's still gonna look really good. I think we're all gonna love it. It's gonna be sick. So I guess that is a good thing, but we'll see. All we can do is see, because obviously I know I am not getting these. I'm a little devastated, not gonna lie. I am a little devastated, but what can you do? Oh well, it is what it is. Well, I didn't waste time. Plan B is officially in effect. There's no turning back now. The wheels will be here Thursday, April 24th. I'm heartbroken about the DHs. You know, I'm heartbroken. But Plan B is going to be sick. And I think y'all are going to like it, and I think I'm going to love it. But there's a two-part to it. There is a two-part to it. I haven't decided if I'm going to show y'all when I get them or if I'm going to show y'all once everything is fully done. But as of right now, Plan B is in effect. Wheels and tires are ordered. There's no turning back now. It is being done. All right, your boy's got the fresh fit on. I got a date with the golf course. But first, I figure it's the right thing to do. With my first YouTube check, I feel like I need to get Derek a present. I feel like he deserves a bit of that first YouTube check. But while I'm just standing here, oh my goodness, can we admire it? It looks so good. But Derek is very hard to shop for. There's not too much that brother doesn't already have. He's like me. There's something he wants, he goes and gets it. But I know of one thing that he really likes, and I know for a fact he doesn't have it. So we're gonna go pick that up real quick. For my first YouTube check, I feel like a portion of that money deserves to go to Derek, because without him, none of this would be happening. None of y'all would be seeing me every week, nor would I be putting myself out there to y'all every week. So yeah, very important to me, making sure Derek gets something from my first YouTube check. So we're gonna go right now and get him something. Package secured, baby. Look, if y'all don't know Derek definitely likes his fragrances. And this right here is the best cologne on the market. If it is not Acqua di Gio, the classic, this is it. This is the best on the market. This is what I have. And he was using it every day at Ponies in the Smokies. So, brother's got his own now. I got a present for you.
Is it food?
No.
Fuck, I don't really want it.
I figured, I reckon you might be deserving of something from my first YouTube check.
What the fuck?
Look, I guess a little portion of that first YouTube check should go to you, right?
What the fuck are you talking about? It's gonna be some dumb shit.
It ain't dumb. It ain't much. You're impossible to like shop for.
What the fuck did you get? Is it ever Cheez-Its? Ulta? What the fuck is in all? Oh no shit, bro, you didn't have to do this, dog. Yo, dead ass, thank you.
Yeah.
Dude, why the fuck did you buy this, bro? You did not have to buy this. I appreciate it.
What does this guy
What
want?
the fuck does he want? What?
Appreciate all y'all for tuning in for another video, baby. You are not going to want to miss the next week's video. It is going to be crazy, man. I'm excited and nervous about it, but it's gonna be a wild one. You're not gonna want to miss it. This car is gonna look different forever, man. You probably already know what it is, but if you don't, stay tuned. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.